Welcome to the AI Quarterly Briefing, a hands-on workshop series designed to help you master the latest AI tools and transform how you work. Whether you're an educator, professional, or an AI enthusiast, these sessions will provide practical training to create low-cost, custom AI assistants. Our workshops are crafted to give you actionable insights, from learning advanced ChatGPT techniques to building AI assistants without coding. We ensure you'll walk away with the skills to streamline workflows and solve real-world problems. When you join the AI Quarterly Briefing, you gain access to our exclusive platform, Learn.landever.ai, for an entire year. Here, you'll find regularly updated resources, videos, and tools to keep you ahead of the curve. For each session, we have interactive and engaging activities. You'll write better prompts, explore AI capabilities, and create custom solutions tailored to your needs, all with expert guidance and a supportive community. Ready to take the next step? Join us at the AI Quarterly Briefing and unlock the potential of AI in your work. Reserve your spot today and start your journey towards AI mastery.